It's time to deck the halls and decorate your living room for Christmas with Hobby Lobby. Discover 2 gorgeous styles for the most wonderful time of the year, each brimming with holiday cheer. Neutral decor can set the tone for a cozy but chic Christmas. Warm and welcoming metallic gold accents elevate this simple yet sophisticated approach. There's no need to store your everyday items for the season. Neutral Christmas decor works alongside an array of aesthetics. Incorporating just a few seasonal accents and holiday florals can quickly transform the entire mood. You'll find a wide selection of wintry add-ins at Hobby Lobby. The highlight of this mantel is a lush decorative garland. To complete the display, layer in decor elements to create depth and interest. Imagine velvet trees and woodland nutcrackers tucked in and around the greenery. When comfortable seating is key, snuggle up with seasonal pillows in a variety of shapes and sizes. And ornaments aren't only for the tree. They're an easy way to bring in holiday touches throughout your space. Just pick up a few boxes and you're ready to decorate. Hobby Lobby also offers a stunning selection of ribbon, lights, floral sprays, and everything else you need to complete a beautiful Christmas tree. Whether you prefer glittering gold or classic red and green, you can achieve a polished, cohesive style by repeating the same core colors and textures across the look. In this take on holiday decorating, vintage-inspired prints and traditional plaids make seating areas feel merry and bright. And for the table, a festive bouquet serves as a statement-making centerpiece. Taking a cue from Christmases past, this mantel features all the hallmarks of the holidays, including Santa. A large print like this one makes for an instant focal point. When choosing your shelf decor, it's important to consider the size and scale of each piece. This design is grounded in larger elements, including reindeer, presents, and a sleigh full of florals that are sure to stand out. Traditional and nostalgic, it's the kind of Christmas charm that welcomes you home for the holidays. Whether it's neutral or bright, subtle or glam, holiday decor is about filling your home with the Christmas spirit your way. Visit Hobby Lobby today for everything you need to curate a space you'll adore. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.